Ladies and gentlemen, the S70 MC1 has been previewed to public, so let's go and have a short look and walk around. To start off, first and foremost, the exterior. At the back, we now have a spoiler telinga kucing, which kind of resembles cat's ears, and the spoiler of the Civic FE, and the spoiler of some M Sport M light models, which has these two prongs at the back. Moving on to the diffuser, it has more slats and it kind of resembles the X70 MC1's diffuser. It's more aggressive and has a more sporty intent. The wheel design is slightly different, where the dual tone elements meet. It has a different pattern as compared to the pre-facelifted model, and that's about it. Size stays at 17 inches with 205/50 R17 tires. The red lining quite resembles the Nismo 370Z's front bumper lining. It has these two pincers dekat depan tu. Quite a unique touch actually. Another thing which I noticed in this MC1 is that the leatherette feels less rubbery, less synthetic as compared to the original model. This one feels more supple and more natural, so I take that as a good thing. Very quiet. Very quiet. Duduk tepi kereta pun tak berapa dengar dah. Sangat senyap. The 1.5 litre IGT engine, 181 horsepower, 290 Nm of torque. No clattering as compared to the 3-cylinder engine. Biasalah, 4-cylinder kan. This is a very positive change, positive upgrade from Proton. Ada kucing.